So this is just transparent color. You can use opaque or transparent. I find transparent is easier because it holds the shape better. It's not as soft. So just do a smallish spacer bead. By the way, I'm using the 3/32 mandrel, which is like 2.5 millimeter, rather than the 1/16 I usually use. Because they're kind of fun to hang on a chain. Okay, this is really, I'm not able to take that label off. Super cool. There we go. And I'm going to do a bump, and turn a third and a bump, and turn another third and a bump. So you have 3 bumps. You see that? Where am I? There we are. Oh my god, this is hard. Okay, there we go. So now I'm just going to, okay, so now I'm just going to press it down a bit, and a bit, and take some murrini. You know, start with small murrini. It's probably easier than doing very large murrini because you have to encase it all in sort of one go. So I'm just going to stick it on there like so. And that one. Until it gets hot enough to hold. And then I'm going to take that one and heat up the bump and put the murrini down. So now I have 3 of them on here, and I'm just smooshing down a bit so that again they are easier to encase. Smoosh. So then we have something that looks like that. I don't know if you can see that or not, but here we are. Now I'm going to take, some clear, and with another annoying piece of tape that doesn't stick overly. Okay. Now, heat, what you want is cold murrini, or cool murrini, and hot clear. Okay, and in one swipe, we do that, and we swirl. Swirl like ice cream, soft serve. Get it off. And there's one. You just kind of let it settle. Swirl and swirl. You can kind of touch on the side if you missed a spot. I did. Let it settle. And last one. Yep. And I always keep a clear stringer around. Oh, geez. Sorry about that. Keep a clear stringer around to swipe anywhere we might have missed. It's not crucial because it's not going to ooze out or anything, but I just like things to be tidy. And then just melt those bits in completely. And you have candy jacks. There we go.